Aloha, welcome to Chappie's Tiki Bar. We got a great episode coming up. We got Appies with Chappie by the lake. That lake there, that's Lake Okanagan. But first we're going to get a little takeout and bring it back to my Tiki Bar in Calgary. So check it out. Aloha, welcome to Appies with Chappie by the lake. I just flew in from Cuba and boy are my arms tired. So for my appetizer I have some pulled pork quesadillas. See here how I made them. And we need a beverage to go with my pulled pork quesadillas. So I'm going to do a corn and oil. This is a traditional Barbados drink. So I just need a short glass and I'll put a little ice. Go ½ ounce of falernum, 2 ounces of blended aged rum from Barbados. Calls for 2 to 4 dashes of Angostura bitters. And that's a corn and oil to go with my pulled pork quesadillas. Thanks for watching another edition at Chappie's Tiki Bar. This is Mookie and I'm Chappie. Make sure you hit that notification bell. We have a new episode every Friday. What's that, Mookie? Mookie says life is hard. That's just the way it goes. But sometimes it goes the other way. See you next time on Chappie's Tiki Bar.